So back to what I was talking about. So I have this in here. I don't know what's it called, but I also keep the instructions with it so that you could know how to make these designs. And you could also make an envelope using this little part of the book. I mean the little ruler thing. So I have that also. Then I have this thing that helps when you're stamping on your traveler's notebook. It's kind of hard, but it's soft also, so that makes a clear impression on. And then I have some stamps. I have this one from the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. And then I have Bow Bunny, Everyday Icons, another Bow Bunny emojis. And then I have Fiskars. And then I have Momenta. And I also have Stampabilities. And then I have this one that I bought in Hobby Lobby for when it was that sale for $2.24. So that is what I was planning to use this little Lustigt. Hopefully I'm saying it correctly. And it holds pretty much a lot of things, so hopefully it will. You can use it also for your, I'm just giving you an idea of what I'm using it for. You could use it for whatever you want, but, and you still have, I still have room here that I could still put things in it. This goes over here. I think this little, that's why I didn't want to come out. And this goes there. And so this is what I'm going to leave downstairs in my room so that I could craft in my bedroom when I don't want to get out of bed. So this is what I'm using this for. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, or leave me a comment down below. Thank you. Bye. Take care.